Hey everybody, Jacobson Valentine with Feed the Mass, and we're super excited to tell you about Summer Programming 2022. This year, we're teaming up with Building Blocks of Success to put on holistic education that involves nutrition, fitness, urban agriculture, mental health, and financial literacy. Along with that, we're working with Building Blocks of Success to bring on STEM programming. All right, guys, so today we are here with Antonio. Antonio is the
Executive Director and co-founder of Building Blocks to Success.
Perfect. And so what's super important about this is we added in STEM programming to our program. And you want to tell us a little bit about what Building Blocks of Success does?
Yes, we work with youth in STEM education, science, technology, engineering, and math, getting them excited about all the wonderful opportunities they have in store for them in the future. So we're trying to create opportunities for exposure and access to high quality STEM education.
We're talking a little bit about where we're going to be doing our summer programming here at Fabian, which have you been here before?
Yeah. Nice.
And they're awesome because they have a cooking kitchen, they have classrooms, all set up for additional learning outside of the schools. I'm super excited because Antonio is going to be doing the STEM programming, we're going to be doing the holistic education, and of course, combining those efforts to make sure that all of our students this summer are having the education, honestly, they deserve. Come on in. This summer, we're going to be teaching your kids in this classroom all about mental health, financial literacy, fitness, nutrition, and urban agriculture. Make sure you sign up your kids today at feedthemass.com/summer.